Hey guys, so I've had a couple of requests to do the Bananas for T-shirts income statement. So I'm gonna read the scenario out for you guys. Please bear with me. I don't have a printer at home, so I had to write all this down, okay? So Bananas for T-shirts is a thriving business that prints T-shirts for local events, teams, churches, and schools. They are known for their bright and colorful designs. Last month, they brought in $12,000 of revenue. The cost of goods sold was $3,000. They have 3 full-time employees who each make $2,000 a month. The rent on the facility is $1,200 a month. They paid $250 in various utility bills, $300 in advertising, $200 for insurance, and $120 is allocated for depreciation. Assume taxes are $2,000. Okay guys, so for the very first one, total revenue, it is given to us. So it says that they brought in $12,000. So we're gonna put 12,000 that they brought in. And then it tells us that the cost of goods sold was $3,000. So I'm gonna put 3,000 right here. And then if you notice, I have a star here for gross profit. That is one of the formulas that was given to you guys. So we're going to take total revenue minus the cost of goods sold, and that gives us $9,000. And then salaries, rent, utilities, advertising, insurance, and depreciation is all given to us over here in this area. So I'm going to start filling this out. So salaries, we have the 3 full-time employees who are each making $2,000 a month. So for salaries, we're just going to take that, the 3 employees, multiply that by 2,000, and that gives us 6,000 in salaries a month. And then it tells us that rent is 1,200. And then utilities, we have our $250 a month. Next, we have advertising. For advertising, it says they spend $300 a month. Insurance is $200 a month. And depreciation is allocated for $120 a month. So this is the next one is total operating expenses. So notice that one has a star too. That's because it requires a formula. So I gave you guys the formula. It's basically all of the expenses. So from salaries all the way to depreciation. So we have to add all of those up. So salaries plus rent plus utilities plus advertising plus insurance and plus depreciation. So that is going to give us $8,070. So that is our total operating expenses. Taxes, they gave that to us. Taxes is $2,000 a month. And then net profit is one of the last ones that requires a formula. So to figure out net profit, we're going to take gross profit minus total operating expenses right here, minus taxes. So after, we're going to take 9,000 minus 8,070 minus 2,000, and that gives us negative 1,070. So your income statement should look like this when you are finished with it. And I would suggest you guys use this as reference as you finish up those other 2 income statements. Now, if you guys need help and you're totally stuck, feel free to contact me, okay? Miss you guys.